Oi gente, tudo bem com vocês? Meu nome é Débora Santos e seja bem-vindo ao meu canal. No vídeo de hoje é vídeo de inspirações com prateleiras. Então aqui eu trouxe sugestões para vocês de como a gente pode estar utilizando as prateleiras, principalmente as de madeira, em qualquer ambiente, seja ele infantil, num quarto infantil, na cozinha ou na sala. Aqui tem várias sugestões. Então bora comigo para a gente ver essas sugestões e inspirar vocês a decorar a casa. Bora lá?
I've wandered far from where I should be. The weight upon my heart grows day by day. Lost in silence, I can barely speak, but still I know you hear me when I pray. Create in me a clean heart. Watch me white as morning light. Create in me a clean heart. Let your mercy make things right. Promise peace and stay. Your grace still calls me deeper than my shame. I surrender everything again. Your love restores the hope I thought was slain. Create in me a clean heart, oh God. Let your mercy make things right. All creation speaks of you. Everything points back to you. From the stars above that shine to the depths of ocean blue, every living thing I see bears the mark of truth. Not one breath is drawn apart from your perfect will. Through him and for him, all things come alive. Through him and for before time began to flow, you were there in majesty. Every kingdom, every throne lies before your feet. Now you hold it all in place with authority. Through him and for him, all things come alive. Through him and for him, we were made to rise. Through him, for him, everything was made. Who can measure your greatness? Who can fathom your ways? Every heart finds its purpose in your grace. You make all things new. You make all things new. You make all things new again. Once we walked in darkness here, lost without a hope or home. Now your love has brought us near, made us fully known. Peace flows from your sacrifice, drawing all to you. Everything was made.
Looking back on where I've been, all the wrongs I can make right, heavy burdens on my soul, need your mercy in my life. Create in me a clean heart, make me new again, make me new. Create in me a clean heart, let your spirit remain.
Every failure, every sin, haunting memories won't fade. But your grace is calling me, Lord, I'm running to your ways. Create in me a clean heart, make me new again. Create in me a clean heart, let your spirit remain. Heart that's pure, restore to me, so your mercy flows like waters new. Your love restores and makes me true. Standing in your grace, all my guilt has washed away. With the Spirit clean heart, Lord. Clean heart.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. In the stillness of this moment, your presence draws me near. Every breath a sacred calling, your spirit crystal clear. My heart beating in time with yours, heaven's mercy falling pure, falling pure. Holy is your name, perfect it is your way.
questions. Your truth has guided me in the storm and in the calmness. Your love has set me free. Holy is your name. Perfect is your way. Here within this place, your grace remains. Your grace remains. Oh, holy, holy Lord of all. Holy, at your feet I fall. At your feet. Holy, holy, hear my call. You're my all in all. With arms wide open, I surrender everything.
Então, gente, esse aqui foi o vídeo, as sugestões que eu trouxe para vocês com muito carinho. Espero que vocês tenham gostado e inspirem vocês a estar decorando a casa de vocês ou até a prateleira para trazer uma organização se vocês precisarem. Lembrando vocês, se tem alguém aqui ainda não é inscrito no canal, se inscreva, deixe seu like para que a nossa família cresça ainda mais. Um beijo no coração de todos, Deus abençoe vocês, até o próximo vídeo, tchau!
Your grace remains, your love sustains.